Welcome to your Alaska cruise adventure.
If this is your first time here, please smash that subscribe button. If it is not, then welcome back. Today we are going to go over 7 hacks on an Alaskan cruise to have the adventure of a lifetime. We're going to talk about how to make it affordable, amazing, and completely full of adventure.
We cruised with the Star Princess, and there are a ton of options out there, but we'll go over exactly why we picked the Star Princess in a little bit. We did a 7-day cruise starting in Seattle, and we stopped at 4 different ports along our cruise journey.
Here's a quick montage of the whole trip.
Let's go!
Let's talk about cruise hack number 1. This is a very important thing on your Alaskan cruise. You have to explore the whole ship on day 1. And it was a huge mistake. We found a panini stand and a coffee stand that we missed out on for the whole trip, and we found it on the last day. You don't want that to happen. You want to find all your favorite things, so you want to check out every restaurant, every nook and cranny, find every pool that you can find. Just wander around the entire ship, finding whatever you can find on day 1.
Cruise hack number 2, get free stuff. Check the bulletin every day. Your cruise guide is going to have a ton of things to do throughout the ship. And a lot of those things offer free things such as little free gifts and gadgets, a lot of free champagne such as at the captain's welcome party, different game shows. They're always offering free stuff.
Cruise hack number 3 is to get free onboard credits. We booked through Expedia, and when we did, we got $50 in free onboard credits. It was just free money that we could use to buy alcohol or gifts or souvenirs on the cruise. Julie's dad is a veteran, and on any Princess cruise, you get $100 in free onboard credits if you're a veteran. So make sure to check your cruise ahead of time to see if you get any free onboard credits.
Cruise hack number 4 is bring wine on board. On our cruise, we were each allowed to bring 1 bottle per person, so make sure you check your cruise guide and see how much you're allowed to bring on board. Most cruises will allow you to do this, and you're gonna save money if you bring it with you instead of buy it on the ship, so take advantage.
Onshore excursions. On our trip to Alaska, we stopped at 4 places, 5 if you count the Tracy Arm Fjord, but our 3 favorites were Ketchikan, Juneau, and Skagway. We had full days on each of these ports. Let's show you them. We made it to our first stop, Alaska. Where in Alaska?
If you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so
Book your onshore excursions with the company directly. The cruise ship is gonna try to get you to book with them, but if you book with the company directly, you'll save a little bit of money and you're gonna get the same experience as everyone else.
It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone.
Cruise hack number 6. The more, the merrier. You can put up to 4 people in your room. And we decided for this trip to invite my parents along, and we just shared a room with them because putting 4 people in a room is gonna save you money. Oh, hello, Kobe.
Hi, Kobe.
And the best part is the rooms are small, but you're not gonna spend any time in your room anyways. You're gonna be out exploring Alaska. That's why you're on the cruise, or exploring the ship.
Cruise hack number 7, our final one and most important one if you're looking to save money and book an affordable cruise, is to book it last minute. Cruises are a little bit like planes. If they have a lot of unsold rooms right before the departure date, they're gonna lower the price to get people on board, and that's exactly what we did. We shopped quite a bit leading up to our cruise date, and we booked the Star Princess a week before we cruised. So it might be a little stressful if you are a planner, but you are gonna save boatloads of money. You're gonna have to be a little bit flexible in order to make this happen, but if you can, this is the way to go. Book last minute. We cut our costs in half by doing this.
If you want more cruise tips and tricks, plus mistakes you don't want to make on board, go check out our blog. The link is down below.
In the video description. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please smash that subscribe button, and we will see you later.
Woo!